Okay guys, I will explain my opinion regarding smoking in the campus area. A campus smoking ban is a common policy implemented by many universities in Indonesia based on applicable laws and regulations to create a healthy and smoke-free learning environment. This policy includes a ban on smoking throughout campus, both indoors and outdoors, and is typically supported by prohibition signs, ongoing education, and disciplinary action. What is cigarettes? Cigarettes are processed tobacco product wrapped in a paper, palm leaves, or other materials, then burned to produce smoke. This product contains nicotine and tar, as well as other harmful chemicals that can lead to addiction and serious health problems such as lung cancer and heart disease. What can harm your lungs? Breathing dirty air, being around smoke, getting sick often, not being active. Negative impact of smoking on campus. 1. Health. Cigarette smoke can cause health problems such as throat irritation, head cases, choking, and shortness of breath for those around them. 2. Environment. Deterrent cigarettes butts damage the cleanliness and beauty of the campus environment, take a long time to decompose, and can pollute the soil and water. 3. Academic. Smoking can reduce student concentration and memory and affect their motivation to learn. Responses and solutions from various parties. Suggestion from students. 1. A total ban in study areas such as classroom and faculty office, but allow smoking in curtained area. 2. Provide adequate designated smoking areas to prevent smokers from smoking indiscriminately. 3. Increase smokers' self-awareness and encourage them to be considerate of those around them. Campus policy. 1. Some campuses have implemented a smoking-free campus policy prohibiting smoking throughout the campus. Implementation of the policy must be supported by strict supervision and disciplinary enforcement. 2. Provide environmentally friendly facilities to support healthy teaching and learning activities. And last, conclusion. Smoking on campus has numerous negative impacts on health, comfort, and hygiene. The most desirable solution, the establishment of clear regulation prohibition in high traffic areas and the provision of designated smoking area, while still prioritizing awareness and ethics among the entire academic community. Okay, this is simple present tense. When is the present tense used? The present tense is used when someone wants to express a general event or fact that is happening right now. Furthermore, the simple present tense is also used in conditional sentence type 0 and type 1, followed by the simple future tense. The simple present tense is a grammatical form in English used to express habits, general truths, fact, and schedule event. This tense use the base form of the verb want with the addition of negative is or negative is to the verb for the subject he, she, and it. Verbal simple present tense. What is the formula for the simple present tense? In general, the formula for the simple present tense is subject plus verb 1 is or is complement for positive sentence with a verbal pattern. If the pattern is nominal, the formula for the present tense is subject plus auxiliary verb to be plus complement. Positive form. Positive form refers to sentences that have a positive form or value. The pattern of noun sentence is subject plus to be plus complement. To be consists of is, am, are, and is used depends on the subject. Complement, on the other hand, consists of nouns, adverbs, and adjectives, and their use depends on the sentence. For example, he is a teacher. I am smart. We are group of students. Negative form. Now, if it's a negation or denial, it's called a negative form. So, negative form sentence is a sentence with a negative value. The pattern for noun sentence is subject plus to be plus not plus complement. For example, Mom is not a chef. I'm not lazy. They are not here yet. Interrogative form. The interrogative form refers to a sentence that takes the form of a question. So don't forget to use a question mark. The pattern of noun sentence is to be plus subject plus complement plus question mark. Example, is the food delicious? I'm alright. Are you a doctor? Interrogative form with why, hey question. Finally, there's the interrogative form with why, hey question. What does this mean? How is it different from the previous interrogative form? The difference is that this interrogative form uses why, hey question or question word containing the letters why, hey, such as what, when, where, who, whom, which, was, why, and how. For this form, the pattern is noun sentence is why, hey question plus to be plus subject plus question mark. For example, who is that boy? Simple present tense pattern for verb sentence. Simple present tense pattern for verb sentence. A verb sentence is a sentence that expresses an action or behavior. Therefore, the predicate is a verb. Positive form. For the positive form of a verb sentence, the pattern is subject plus verb 1 or verb 1 plus is or is plus complement. This verb can be either the regular form without the s or es ending or the one ending with s or es, depending on the subject. Remember the subject table we discussed earlier. If the subject is I, you, they, we, and I plural subject, use the verb without the ending s or es. If the subject is he, she, or it, and I singular subject, use the verb ending s or es. For example, I write a letter. He goes to school. Negative form. Next, we move on to the negative form. For the negative form of a verb sentence, the pattern is subject plus do or does, plus not plus verb 1 plus complement. Remember, in the negative form, we insert not to express negation or denial. For example, they do not know where to go. What are the characteristics of simple present tense sentence? 1. Use verb in their basic form or familiar irregular verbs. 2. Use auxiliary verb, namely do or does, for negative and interrogative verbal sentence. 3. In the present tense, there are usually adverbs of time such as always, usually, often, seldom, rarely, never, and every day, or week, or month, and or year. What are some examples of the simple present tense? Positive sentence. 1. She wants to be a doctor. 2. Cows eat grass. 3. They speak English at the office. Negative sentence. They don't have any money. 2. Lala doesn't see Peter in the class. Interrogative sentence or question sentence. 1. Do they talk a lot? 2. Does he play tennis? 3. Does your father drink coffee? Verbal simple present tense. Okay, I have some pretty questions for you to try. Next exercise, this is